Good morning, y'all.
You already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, what I had back to. Red up, baby, but she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please do not mind my appearance. I just got up not too long ago. I had to get up early today because they sent out a Wi-Fi technician to come hook up the Wi-Fi for me. Thank God I finally have Wi-Fi, y'all. My connection isn't bad anymore and I'm so happy. Today we're gonna do a spend the day with me type of video. I have a couple errands I want to run and I'm gonna take you guys with me. What is on my to-do list today, y'all? Today on my to-do list is, look, I wrote it in my notes. Today on my to-do list is, okay, we have Wi-Fi, check. Nails, y'all. If I show you my nails, are y'all gonna roast me in the comments? Yeah.
What's that? What's that, brother?
What? So we're gonna go get these bad boys filled. This is so bad. Then we're gonna go to In-N-Out because I've been craving In-N-Out and there's an In-N-Out down the street from my house and I really wanna try it and see if like the In-N-Outs are different by where they are. Then we're gonna grab some pillows. I've been sleeping on Cookie's bed for the last, what, 5 days. I keep forgetting to get pillows and I've been sleeping on Cookie's little bed. Look, this is my little setup. You see her little, hold on. This is what I've been sleeping on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna stop at the grocery store. I think I'm gonna make tacos tonight for dinner. Walmart has the Taco Bell taco sauce. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm gonna go get ready. Do you guys want to get ready with me real quick? Oh, what? I'm brushing my teeth. Dang.
I'm different, I'm one of a kind. I took off on bitches and left them behind. How do you hate me if I'm on your mind? Sending me messages, ayy, chain sweat. I'm in love with money showers, ayy, do. I love the sound of money counting. B-A-D-V-E-S-T. Same hoes hate me, still wanna be besties. You can get your wig turned like Effie. I don't need insurance cause a bitch can't break me. Ready.
We are finally out the shower, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, I rubbed my eyes too hard, y'all, taking off my lashes. Look at how long my lashes I've gotten because I be using those DIY lash clusters. I felt like when I used to wear my extensions, I used to rub and pick at them too much. But now that so my lashes would always come out and they would be super thin and weak and bare. But now since I use my DIY clusters, look how long they are, y'all. Do y'all see that? Hold on. Look at that. Okay, guys. I did my hair. Very cute. And I got dressed. Tell me what you guys think about this. And then, there we go. I'm just wearing my Lululemons. They're very expensive, but you know, this is how it looks in the back. I tucked it up. Is that weird? Someone tell me that looks weird. This shirt is kind of big and I don't like how big it is. So I tucked it. But what do you think? Is it giving running errands on a Saturday? I'm gonna wear these because this gray matches this gray. These are my Yeezys. I love these. I feel like I'm already giving like a Kim vibe. This is like, doesn't it look like Skims? Look at me. Skims sponsor me. I'm gonna put these shoes on. My little alien shoes, as my mom calls them. Now the question of the day is, do I wear socks or not with these? Will it look weird with socks? Fuck, y'all. I don't fucking know. Let me show y'all what I'm looking like. Like, it was never supposed to take me this long to leave and get ready. Oh my God, my camera's about to die. I just want to show y'all my fit and I can change the battery. I changed my battery. We're all good. I can show you my full outfit now. So, we have my LV bag. I wear this all the time. I hate when I wear it now because I feel like I overwear it. But fuck y'all, okay? I got my Chrome Archive shirt, which I got from something affair, Chic Affair, I think that's what their name is on Instagram. I'll tag them. No, I won't. Actually, you need to hit me up so I can promote for y'all. What the fuck? Anyway, Lululemon pants and my Yeezys. What do we think? Just a slight, oh, and my Apple Watch is completely dead, but I like the way a watch looks on me because I like accessories. But yeah, these Lululemons make my coochie itch. I did my lashes, y'all. What do you think? If you guys want me to do like an in-depth tutorial on how I do my extensions, I would love to give you guys one. My lashes last me a long ass time. I don't know what y'all hoes be doing. Trying to finish my apples so I can go. I'm trying to force myself to eat, y'all. What's crazy is my problem went from eating too much to not being able to eat enough, which is, it's like I can never win. Now we're ready to go. Hey guys, okay, so we're in the car. I found a nail spa, literally super close to my house. We're gonna cross our fucking fingers that they can, one, they're not super busy, and two, they can get me in and they do a good job. Oh, it's saying it's literally right in here. Okay, hold on. I'm about to walk in, y'all, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, of course. Let me like feel the vibes, and then I'll pull y'all out and shit. Yeah, exactly.
Why not you find a cheaper place to go?
Right, that's what I'm like, okay. And it's not too far from, you know, if I want to go back, I can always, you know, drive back.
Sometimes weekends really busy.
I totally forgot. It's Mother's Day weekend.
Yeah,
how did I forget that? I know, like, how did
your
I forget
mama?
that? Alright guys, so I just got done at the nail salon. We were connecting, we were vibing, which I absolutely love when I can, you know, talk and just communicate with my tech. So I think she's gonna be my new nail tech. She did so good and she was so fast. This is how they came out. I'm very basic. I just like a little French, and she did a great job. The fact that she can get me in as soon as I walked in, you know what? We'll do an 8.5, 8.7. 8.7. I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy. She did a great job. 10 out of 10. Now we need to go, one, get some food. I think I'm gonna stop at a drive-thru and get some food real quick. And then when we were talking, she said that there's like a Home Goods or like a TJMAXX that I can go to because I still need pillows. And then tonight I think we're making tacos, so I need to stop at the grocery store. Let's go ahead and head over there. Oh bitch, I was supposed to go to In-N-Out with my fat ass. Okay, turn around. We're going to In-N-Out. What am I doing? What am I doing? So I'm in line for In-N-Out right now, as you guys can see. Ooh, what am I gonna get? Flying Dutchman onion grill wrap with fries, animal style, and a pink lemonade with extra ice. That's my go-to order, y'all. Let me show y'all. Yeah, don't mind the crack in my window. You see that? A fucking Pebble did that dumbass shit. Bitch ass Pebble. You can smell In-N-Out. Like when you're around In-N-Out, you can literally smell it. And I have the AC on, so it's in my car now.
Hello,
Hi, good, how are you?
Great, what can I get for you?
Can I get a Flying Dutchman whole grilled onion wrap, please?
Whole grilled onion wrap?
Yes, and then an animal style fry.
Okay.
And a pink lemonade with extra ice.
Pink lemonade, extra ice?
Yes, and that's all.
Are you going to be eating this in the car?
Yes.
Okay. So Flying Dutch with the whole grilled onion wrapped, an animal friend, and a pink lemonade, extra ice.
Perfect.
It's going to be $12.03 first one. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Guys, I got my food. This is the pink lemonade with extra ice. I always get extra ice in all my drinks. That's just me. This is my gorgeous food. Let's do a close-up real quick. So we got this is the whole, I wish they would have made the onion a little bit crispier, but that's okay. Whole grill Flying Dutchman whole grill wrap, animal style fries, pink lemonade, and I also got chopped chilies on the side and extra spread. So let's get straight into it, y'all. Quick mukbang, y'all. Quick mukbang. I can't eat fast. I don't eat a lot. So don't be mad. Don't be mad. I'm about to put this on my story. Ew, not this. This is my dad's fucking cup, bruh. Get this shit out there. Okay. Alright, let's get straight into it. We got the fries right here, y'all. I always eat my fries first because once they get cold, y'all, it's over. Clock it, y'all. Stop playing with In-N-Out. I hate when people say In-N-Out not good. Hold on. We gotta big back this shit, y'all. Get some spread. More. Because it's never enough. Thumbnail. Chilies aren't as crunchy as they usually are. And shit. Yo, I'm making a big ass mess. Ready? So fucking good. That's probably all the fries I'm gonna be able to eat, y'all. I'm telling y'all. After my gastric sleeve, this is all I'm able to do. Why the fuck would someone park right here when I'm fucking slamming? I do want to at least take one bite of this burger. Hold on, let me make sure she's in focus, y'all. Oh. So there's a certain way you gotta eat this, y'all, for real. You gotta get more spread. That's why you get two. One for the fries, one for the burger. Especially if you're getting a Flying Dutchman. Okay, we're gonna put that all right there. Oh. Like that. Oh yeah. Fuck, y'all. I just put it on my leggings. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, Zaddy. Chill, Zaddy. Woo! All right, I'm full. Cleaning myself up a little bit, y'all. You know I'm sloppy. I'm sloppy. We're still going to TJMAXX, y'all. Don't forget. And then we're gonna go to Walmart and grab some food and stuff, or any grocery store that's closer to me. Honestly, no, I do want to go to Walmart because they have the Taco Bell sauce and shit. So we just got the TJMAXX. It's right there. But right next to it, I don't even know if y'all can fucking see, is a Home Goods. So we got TJMAXX and fucking Home Goods. I'm like, fuck, y'all. So I decided to go to TJMAXX first. It's super crowded in here and the Home Goods is connected, which is awesome. I found the pillows. Here we go. Look at the aisle of pillows. I don't know, I like my pillows pretty firm. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I like firm pillows. Ooh, these, y'all. $30, fuck. I mean, I'm gonna get it because they feel amazing. But damn. Should I get two more pillows? They don't have to be the same brand, of course. They can be cheaper. Maybe like I'll get these. These are only 20. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get these. We got 4 pillows. Now we need pillowcases. 4 pillowcases. You can't beat it. Oh, y'all, they got mirrors. They got the mirrors on sale. Oh, I need a mirror so bad. They're cute though. I think we're done here, y'all. I think I'm gonna leave. I think I found everything I needed. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna head out of here. And then I'm just gonna meet you guys at, let me get to Walmart. Y'all, the line was stupid long. I'm gonna need some more cashiers at the fucking front, okay? I got these cute ass earrings. I know I said I was only getting the pillows and the pillowcase, but I stopped at the jewelry and look at these earrings. They're so cute. Okay, so I got this booby tape because a girl like me always need booby tape. I got these packs of long white socks, and then just one more thing, y'all, just one more thing. I got these oven mitts because the other day I was trying to take my piece out the oven and I realized I didn't have no oven mitts and almost burnt my fucking fingernails off. I really like these earrings. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute. Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. Before we get started, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, our hands are washed. Let's get started. I got some Taco Bell fire sauce. I'm really excited to put these on my tacos. I got some cooking oil, Taco Bell chipotle sauce. This is the sauce they put in their chicken quesadillas. I also got the Taco Bell mild seasoning, meat seasoning. I love these. I've already had these before. These are my go-tos. These are so good. Daisy sour cream, of course. I love frying my corn tortillas. That's why I got the oil. Got some ground beef, lemon and lime juice, wash your ass sauce. So this is for my noodles. I got some shredded lettuce. That is my grocery haul. Let's get straight into cooking. First thing we're gonna do is, oh my gosh, y'all, I forgot onions. No, oh, I'm so mad, y'all. Usually I cook the onions with the meat so it's more flavorful. Damn it. So this is the pot we're gonna be using. Shut the fuck up. Use whatever pot you wanna use. Don't talk about my pot. I don't feel like taking out dishes. So I'm gonna put my shit on medium heat. Ah, shit. There we go. I really wish I had some onion, y'all. I'm so mad. Y'all, I really like my ground beef grounded up. I hate it when y'all cook y'all ground beef and it's not all the way grounded up and it got them big ass chunks in it. Like, grind that meat up. The fuck? Why the fuck do I have big ass meatballs in my shit? I hate when y'all do that. That shit is trifling. I'm gonna drain this real quick. 1 second, y'all. Next, we're gonna add in our taco seasoning. And then we're gonna fill this up with water and put the water in there too. And then we're just gonna let this cook together. Next, we're gonna add in some lemon juice. About that much. I like to add a little bit more seasoning in mine. Y'all do what y'all wanna do. The meat's done. I'm just letting it kind of simmer for a little bit. Let it cook out all the water. Anyway, now we're going to get our tortillas. I like to fry mine. Get you a pan. Come here. Pour you some oil in this pan. Not too much, just enough. Oh shit, hi guys, I forgot I was recording. Put it in like this. You dip both sides like this. And then once you kind of dip both sides, you let it bink. We got one taco shell. Let that cook. Bam. Ooh, I love my tacos a little toasted. That's perfect. Take it out, let it drain a little bit, get all the oil. Bam. All right, y'all, let's make our tacos. Sorry you're a little lopsided. I don't feel like fixing the fucking camera. Hungry as fuck. Like that. I tasted the meat, y'all. It's actually pretty good. Next, you're gonna take your Fiesta blend cheese. There we go. Sour cream. Scoop that shit up. And bam. Spread that shit out. Some lettuce. I got some of this little salsa. It's the pineapple salsa. We're just gonna put a little bit on there. Not too much, y'all. And now, some jalapenos. If only y'all knew how much I love me some jalapenos. Put them bitches in there. And to top it all off, our Taco Bell fire sauce, y'all. Ooh, shit, I put way too much on that one. My fault. Are we ready for a taste test? Bon appetit, bitches. Well, damn. That's a good ass taco. Go make you some tacos and shut the hell up. Everything will be okay. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I am about to enjoy my tacos and go lay the fuck down. I am so tired. I have been with y'all all fucking day. I hope I was entertaining enough for y'all. And if you got this far in the video, are you bored? It's like, nah, I really appreciate y'all if you watched it this far. I'll see you in another video. Talk to you later, bestie. Bye.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say